Hello my queens, today I will tell you about my lash adventure and inform you about silk lashes. Let's get to the video. What is silk lash? Silk lashes or false lashes added to one's own eyelashes. It is a process performed for people with sparse, straight, light-colored and thin lashes to have more prominent and fuller lashes. Silk lashes make lashes look longer and thicker, eliminating the need for mascara. If the person doesn't have his own lashes, the application can't be made. If you have silk lashes, you can't make heavy eye makeup. As you know, water-resistant eyeliners and intense eyeshadows are removed with oil-based makeup removers, and this also affects the adhesiveness of silk lashes. Therefore, if you like intense eye makeup, don't get silk lashes. But if you say, I'm too lazy to put on makeup, that's right for you. That's right for you. The procedure takes about 2 hours at every beauty center you go to. I guess I don't need to tell you to go without makeup. Don't go to the trouble of removing makeup there when you go. At first, it might seem intensive to you, so I wished I hadn't done it first. But the first 2 days, it spreads a little, settles, and comes to look you want. Enjoy waking up like a princess every day. The question everyone is wondering, does it shed lashes? Friends, our lashes are already falling out 2 or 3 times a day, even if we don't notice it. It renews itself. When the silk is poured with lashes, you will see a bigger black lash. Don't be afraid, this is natural. Important warning, don't go with lenses when you go to have your lashes done, because your eyes will be closed for a long time. After silk lashes, the first 2 days the lash shouldn't be touched by water. Eyes shouldn't be rubbed. Don't enter the solarium. You shouldn't be in environments such as sauna baths. Mascara shouldn't be used. Oil-based cleansers, makeup remover creams, and eye creams shouldn't be applied to the bottom of the lashes. While cleaning, remover is squeezed into the lash glue for the glue to melt. It is waited for about 15 minutes. It is moved as if combing the lashes with a micro brush. The softened glue comes without any difficulty. But I didn't go to take out. It shed on its own and didn't shed my lashes either. Besides, when it spilled a little, it became a much more natural and beautiful image, and I liked it very much. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and here in case I don't see ya. Good afternoon, good evening, and good night. Bye.